Dialysis, a word that means hope for millions with kidney failure. This technology performs the essential job of filtering blood when kidneys can't. It's not a cure, but a life-sustaining bridge, giving patients a second chance. Our kidneys silently clean our blood, but when they fail, toxins build up dangerously. Dialysis steps in, taking over this vital function. In clinics, you'll find people from all walks of life, united by resilience. The steady hum of machines is the heartbeat of survival. Here, technology and humanity meet, extending lives in profound ways. For patients, dialysis is more than a procedure. It's a routine, a partnership, and a commitment to health. It requires patience and courage, but the reward is time. Another sunrise, another laugh, another tomorrow. This is the lifeline of modern medicine. The journey is tough, but the hope it brings is immeasurable. The dialysis machine, often called an artificial kidney, mimics healthy kidneys with precision. Its job, clean the blood outside the body, a process called hemodialysis. The core is the dialyzer, a filter packed with thousands of tiny fibers. Blood flows through these fibers. A special fluid called dialysate surrounds them. The membrane lets waste and excess fluid pass out, but keeps essential cells in. Dialysate, tailored for each patient, draws out toxins like a magnet. This exchange is silent, continuous, and thorough. Safety is paramount. Sensors and alarms monitor every detail in real time. If anything's off, the machine alerts staff instantly. Patients can rest, knowing they're protected. The machine isn't just a cleaner, it's a vigilant guardian. This is the brilliance of modern engineering at work. Every session is a carefully orchestrated act of preservation. The process starts with blood leaving the body through a special access point. A needle and tubing connect the patient to the machine. Blood is drawn, then sent to the dialyzer for cleaning. Inside, waste and excess electrolytes are filtered out by diffusion. Simultaneously, ultrafiltration removes extra fluid, easing strain on the heart. The amount removed is precisely calculated for each patient. Clean blood is returned through a separate tube, passing safety checks for air bubbles. This loop, blood out, cleaned, and back in, repeats for several hours. Patients feel the difference, refreshed, rebalanced, and renewed. It's a seamless cycle, powered by science and care. Every session is a step toward better health. Dialysis transforms lives, restoring energy and clarity to those once overwhelmed by illness. After treatment, patients often feel renewed, able to return to daily life and loved ones. For some, dialysis is a long-term lifeline. For others, a bridge to transplant. It grants the gift of time, more moments, milestones, and memories. This technology turns a fatal diagnosis into a manageable condition. Advances in nephrology are making dialysis more efficient and less intrusive. Imagine wearable devices that offer even more freedom. This future is within reach. Dialysis is more than a procedure. It's a story of hope and resilience. It shows how innovation can overcome even the greatest health challenges. Behind every patient is a team of dedicated professionals and ongoing scientific discovery. Dialysis is a symbol of our commitment to life, no matter the obstacle. The journey is hard, but the future is brighter. This is the power of modern medicine.